Store Item Register. Use this window to register goods and services that you deal with. First, ensure from the list of categories that your categories are added. If not added, go to the Categories window and add them as shown earlier. Item name. That is where you type the full name of the product you are selling. It should be possible to distinguish one product from the other. For example, brown sugar 1 kg, white sugar 1 kg, and not just sugar. Item cost, large, for the large or default unit. Some items can be split into smaller units, e.g. packet has 12 pieces, so the larger unit's cost is the one that you put. If the item doesn't have smaller units, then just put the cost here and ignore the right side that asks for the small units details. Purchase unit name, large. This is the large or default unit name, for example kg, PCs, acre, car, bag, carton. Selling price, large. This is the selling price for the large default unit. Min price, large. This is the minimum price the large default unit can be sold. Barcode is the product barcode. You can scan or type it by first clicking to put the cursor in the box. Average cost. The system applies average cost to determine stock value. Should you manually edit the L cost of item and average cost seems to not make sense, then you can edit it. Otherwise, leave the system to manage it. Extra description. Use this to describe the product or service. For example, if it's land, you can specify acreage details, car or electronic specifications, etc. This is a service. By ticking this green, it means the item will be saved as a service that doesn't need stock to sell. Ignore the details below if the item cannot be split into smaller packet units. Small units name is the name of the small units if the item can be split. Package quantity, number of small units in large units. Small unit price, selling price of the small units. Small units, minimum price, the minimum price below which you can sell the small items. Leave it at 0 if you don't want to limit. Save button enables you to save the data, and double-clicking an item twice returns the data from list view so that you can edit and save again. To upload bulk data from Excel. First, ensure that you have Microsoft Excel installed in the computer. The upload is done per category, so select one category. Click on the Onboarding Excel button. Check for the template Excel file that will pop up. Fill in the rows with the item's details for the given columns. When done, save the file in a public folder, like Documents or Desktop, and rename it. Click the Import Data button and browse to the file. The information will be uploaded instantly. Repeat the process for the other categories. The process